Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Imperishable Brahman, Chapter 8, Shloka 11. That which is declared imperishable by the Veda knowers, that into which the self-controlled and desire-freed enter, that desiring for which brahmacharya is practiced, that goal I will declare to thee in brief.
Chapter 8, Shloka 11. Yadaksharam vedavido vadanti vishanti yatayo vidharagaha yatichanto brahmacharyam charanti tatte padam sangrahena pravakshe.
Chapter 8, Shloka 11. An introduction on the meditation upon Om is described now. Lord declares the supreme destination of perfection and the means of achieving it. Precautions and warnings are given because forewarned is forearmed for success. Supreme is the goal of the meditator, defined as the imperishable truth. To avoid all extrovert desires that cater to the senses and to practice severe and consistent self-control for success in meditation is essential. Healthy detachment and not suppression is advised for the natural blossoming of the intellect. It is not a sad self-denial or a self-punishment, but an intelligent self-restraint due to efficient discrimination. The meditator's success depends upon the inner wealth of mental equipoise and inner peace. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.